Drone, drone, drone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at 12 gauge drone defense ammo. Now, what kind of expertise do I have? Well, obviously if you've seen my channel, you know I like to drone on, so I think I have a very good insight on this topic. What we're going to do today is take one of my favorite ammos and put it up against the drone to see if that is a viable drone protection ammo, and see the results right here with you guys, and have that ammo on hand just in case, you know, you're ever in a situation where you need to take out one of these little suckers. So here we got the number 4 buck, 12 gauge 3-inch Magnum, 41 pellets, going 1210 feet per second. We're going to be throwing them into JM Pro with a Holosun red dot, full choke. We're going to be shooting the GPS Pro Mark. As you can see, the drone lights up. Yeah, don't worry about that. If you want to see what I'm doing with that, hit the subscribe. Come on, let's get those numbers up. As you can see, we have the drone hung. We're not flying it. We're going to take a shot with the number 4 buck at this. The side profile of it does not present a lot of surface area for the rounds to contact, but we have a lot of rounds going down range, 41 of those. Let's take a shot here and see what happens. All right, one shot of the number 4 buck against the drone. Drone, drone, drone! I see it swinging. Let's go check it out. Not a lot of damage. We took a round in this motor. It was vibrating. It does power on. The unit is vibrating. There's a hole through there. That motor took damage. So did that motor. I think we're going to have to do what I see most people do. Multiple shots in quick succession to put the drone down. If you were in a scenario and it was, I would say, wartime or without rule of law, shouldn't be doing this in your backyard for fun. If you saw a drone coming in and you were afraid for your life, you would take multiple shots at it. This number 4 buck did make a few impacts on key components, but the unit still powers on. Okay, it's not vibrating anymore. Let's load up 5 and send 5 rounds down here at this thing and see if that gives us a little different result. 5 shots, number 4 buck on a drone. Drone, drone, drone! We got wires hanging out of this motor. That motor's missing the blades. This motor's demolished. Landing gear is demolished. Lots of holes through the side here. The unit will not turn on anymore. The light blinks. It's very, very warm. That would be a good drone defense. Granted, that was 5 shots, not one. One did have some impacts. What I believe you want for drone defense is a lot of large pellets traveling down range, and the number 4 buck is 41 pellets, almost a 1/4 inch in diameter, 41 of them flying down range. So that's what I'll be using if I need to defend myself against a drone.